This is a breakfast sandwich that is inspired by Tosilog and Longsilog, which consists of tocino and longganisa and itlog, which is egg. So let me show you. Let's cut this in half. Yes. Alright. Let me show you the cross section. Wait, hold on. There you go. Oh yeah. This is such a good breakfast, like breakfast and sandwich. Oh yeah, this one is awesome. Right? Now let's check out the tocino. That was the longanisa first. The tocino version is here. Oh yes, this is awesome. It actually ended up being really, really good. It's now my new favorite. Oh yeah, this is so good. A must try. So first, the start. Right here we are. We have a bunch of longanisa. So I think it's around 8 pieces or 9 pieces, and tocino and 4 eggs. Because we're gonna use 1 egg per sandwich. So yeah, this is gonna be so good. All right. Now let's start. Let's fry the eggs first. Oil up the pan, make sure it's all good and hot. Yes, we fry the egg first because so that the pan is still nothing is sticking and everything is all good. All right, now it's hot and ready. Start with the 4 eggs. Yeah, pardon me, I'm just being careful so that you don't drop any eggshell. All right. Oh, the yolk broke up. Sorry about that. Here's the next one. Now 2 more. You gotta do it quick. Not really, you don't have to rush, but you gotta be quick enough so that all 4 eggs fry equally. Because the longer you take, the first one might just get overly cooked. Yep. Now continue. Make sure it's all hot and all good. We salt it up. Each egg. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Alright. Now we let it sit there for a few minutes. Get some crushed black pepper. A hefty amount because that's how I like it. You can put however much you like, or you can just decide not to put black pepper, that's fine. Alright. That's getting almost there. Okay. Now we just make sure all 4 eggs are separated. This way, when it's cooked, it's easier to remove it one by one. You try to, scribe a line across it and make sure it's all apart or divided. All right, this one too. Yeah. And this one. I mean, you can fry 1 egg each, but it's gonna take forever. It's gonna take too long. Okay. So now here, let's turn this to make sure everything is all heating up equally, because that's how it's getting cooked faster. If you get a favor, hit the like button because the more likes the video gets, the more activity it shows the algorithm. It gets spread out to wider audience. Thank you for that. And subscribe if you haven't. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right. Yep, the eggs are getting done now. We leave this 2. This last 2 was the last batch, so it's gonna cook later, or the last one to get cooked, but it's all done now. Make sure everything is not sticking so we can easily put it on the plate. Yep, it's all ready now. Oh, here it is. Also get it all together. Oh, there you go. Oh, you left this. Yeah. All right. Now all 4 eggs are done for the Tosilog and Longsilog, but a sandwich. So we could probably call it longsalog, but it sounds weird. Now it's the longanisa. We cut it in half. Well, 1 longanisa we cut it into 3 thinner slices, so make sure everything is fried good. Some like it slightly cooked. I like it really fried and crispy, so that we keep going. All right, here it is. We turn it now. Oh yeah. We continue frying this until we get the good texture that I like or that I want. Yup. We want it more brown than this, so we keep going. We make sure we've turned every single thing, every single side, so that every side gets cooked equally. Yep. Now we leave it a little longer. Then it's gonna be all ready and all good. All right. Turn it some more. Oh yeah, look at that. That's all good and ready. I had to speed it up so it doesn't get too boring. It's all fried good. Oh yeah. The smell smells good. Yep. Careful. All right, there you go. Okay. Now, next up is the tocino. This is like a marinated pork, which is usually for breakfast. Like, some places have common the breakfast for with bacon. This is kind of like our bacon. Well, it's not the same, but for breakfast, it's what is common. All right. Yep, we spread it out. Make sure it's all cooked good. Same thing here. I like this really fried, really good. You know, to get all the flavors good. All right. Now it's browning up, getting ready. Yep. Now time to get it. Oh yeah. Get all this. This breakfast sandwich is gonna be so good. Here they are. All right. Yeah. Look at that. Fried really, really good. The longganisa and the tocino. Oh, perfect. Yes. Now here, we'd like to do this. I like to do this with the eggs. This way, it's easier to spread it out on each sandwich. You can decide to, leave it as a whole fried egg, sunny side up on the sandwich. But this makes it even better because it's equally spread out into bits and pieces. All right. Yep. Some more here. Okay, now let's go to the bread. Here we toast. We use the Gardenia thick slices. Okay, you can use the thinner slice, but the thick slice is always a lot better. So we put butter on the outside. Take note, it's on the outside, just to make it all crusty and good. All right, on the outside. So this side is down, so it's gonna be the outside. Then this one is gonna be top side. A downside. Okay, sorry about that. So we're gonna do the bottom half first. Next up, the top half has butter, and look on the middle we put a dab of mayonnaise. You can opt not to put this, but when you decide to put this, it tastes even better. So it's perfect. Now we toast this for like about 2 to 3 minutes. You can leave it longer, but 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see the result here. Now let's go back to the tocino and longanisa. This is the actual dip for the tocino and longanisa, the sauce. But of course, since it's a sandwich, we can reuse it. So what we do is we actually drench the tocino and longanisa with the vinegar chili sauce. This way, the taste gets incorporated to the meat. So when you put it on the sandwich, it's gonna be so good. Yes, make sure some of the chilies go with it, so it's gonna be good and spicy. Here on the longanisa, not the egg, because so the egg would still maintain the taste of itself. There you go. Oh, looking really good. Let me show you up close. Oh, would you look at that? This and rice is already a winner. But let's make the sandwich. Oh yes, this 3 minutes later, the sandwich is all good now. That's the outside, the mayo is inside good. All right, be careful, it's hot. Now we do the next batch. Yes, with the mayo inside and butter on the outside. All ready now? Yes. Okay, now start building it. We put the longanisa first. Make sure it's all in order. Then the eggs. And then top it off with the sandwich with the other slice. This is for my brother. Okay, maybe this is gonna be mine because it has more eggs and more longanisa. Yes, and then the tocino now. And then the eggs. Perfect, it's so easy, right? Yep, this one here. Last one. Yep. Now we cut it up. This two, one longanisa and one tocino sandwich is for my brother because he's asleep right now. So put it on the side. Mine is on my plate. Let's go. Oh yeah, look at that. This is so good. Let's cut it. Let's look at the cross section. Oh, wait. Here, let me show you the cross section. Oh yeah. Look at that. Bite full of this is really awesome and excellent. Yep. Next up is the tocino. Here Here we are. And you click here for the other good stuff. But man, look at that. Yeah. Oh, the egg drop. That's gonna be my only. Well, where's my fork? Let me have that. Oh yeah. Alright, yeah, and thanks for watching and subscribe this way you can check out all the other videos here, alright? See you around.